If you're interested in becoming a member of the channel, click the join button below my videos. If you're an iOS user, click the link in the info box and you'll be able to sign up from there. Hey guys, this is Evie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these marble jelly nails on Miss Keisha. So for this look, I'll be using Long Hair Pretty Nails clear and white acrylic, along with these colored acrylics from Mia's Secret and this glitter from Born Pretty Store. And of course, Miss Keisha. And for you guys don't know, Miss Keisha is my silicone practice hand from Red Iguana. I love that it is posable. That is one of my favorite features. So if you guys are interested, Red Iguana was so nice enough to give my subscribers a 10% off coupon. The coupon code is lowercase LHPN, and I will give you some money off on your order. And I'll be applying everything with the Long Hair Pretty Nails number 8 oval Kolinsky brush. So I'll be sculpting these nails using these gold nail forms. I tried doing nail forms previously on Miss Keisha, as you guys know from previous videos, and I was having some trouble with the nail form sticking, but these gold forms are super sticky, so I had no problem with them staying on the silicone fingers. Oh, I do want to add that I did apply a peel-off base coat. That is how I take off the acrylic nails from the silicone practice hands without having to, you know, soak them off or anything like that. I will link the videos of where I pop the nails off and also how I soak off the nails from the silicone practice hands. So yeah, once I get the forms on, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a layer of clear down. This is just going to be a thin layer because this will be a marble nail. Alright, so once I have that thin base of clear down, I'm just going to go in with random beads of the white, pink, purple, and green acrylic. And I'm working with the beads wetter because I kind of want them to blend into one another. Kind of doing like a marbly, but kind of like a tie-dye type design. I don't know. But it's all just random. And it looks a little crazy at first, but I promise you it will come together. Alright, so after applying all of the acrylic, I'm going to go in with a small bead of clear and just kind of drag that over the nail. And I'm going to place these little iridescent glitter pieces. I'm just going to place these randomly all over the nail. So once I like the placement of everything, I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate this nail. Alright, so I'm just going to leave that to dry and we're going to move on to the next nail. So for the index nail, this one is just going to be a clear nail. So I'm just going to build this up using the clear acrylic. Alright, so moving on to the middle finger, I'm just applied the nail form and I just went ahead and took the nail form off on the ring fingernail because the acrylic has dried. So yeah, just to get that out the way. So once again, this one is going to be a marble nail. So I'm applying a thin layer of clear acrylic. And repeat the same thing I did for the pinky fingernail. Only this time I do like how I applied the colors as far as going in that diagonal fashion. The colors really blend into one another very well. Alright, so then once again, we're just going to use that clear acrylic to apply the iridescent circles and glitter all over the nail. And once everything is in place, I just go ahead and encapsulate the whole nail. Alright, so for the index fingernail, this one is once again going to be a clear nail, so I just went ahead and built this up. So for the pinky fingernail, I did go ahead and extend it because I made it a little bit too short. So that is just what I'm showing you guys here. All right, so for the thumb, I'm just going to do the same marbling as well. So as you can see, it has been a while since I've done Miss Keisha's nails. It all started off when I was waiting on my Aunt Peel-Off base coat to come in the mail, and then once it came, I just never really got back to it. So yeah, but I really do like these silicone practice hands, and it allows me to get some experience with, you know, applying acrylic to someone else other than myself. They are so realistic, like up close they look very, very real, and I especially like this one because it is posable, so I'm able to move the fingers and get them in the position that I need them to be, so you know I can apply my acrylic and all of that. So yeah, like I said, if you guys are interested, Red Iguana was so kind enough to give my subbies a 10% off coupon. She also has different colors, so if you do not like this one, but she has like deeper skin tones and everything. She has the half hands and she has fingers as well. So go ahead and check her out if you guys have been in the market for a silicone practice hand. They're very affordable, and they are even more affordable with my coupon code. So yeah, coupon code is lowercase LHPN. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic has dried, and I'm just going to go in with the shaping and filing. And as you guys can see, I am using that new nail dust collector that I love. I will go ahead and link that down below. So this is after the nails have been shaped and buffed. And now I'm going in with this Joya Mia Illuminix gel polish. And this is part of a system, but I just got the colors because I wanted that jelly effect. And I just had to pick these up after I saw Susie's video. She did some jelly nails and she used these, and I was like, oh, this is exactly what I was looking for. So I did pick these up off of Amazon. I will go ahead and link those down below. But yeah, as you can see, it's so beautiful. It is like the perfect jelly pink color, and I just love it. So I went ahead and applied one coat to the ring fingernail and to the index fingernail, and of course cleaning up around the cuticle area as needed. I went ahead and cured those in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and I'm just going to apply that to all of the nails. And as you can see, these marble nails come to life with the gel top coat. Like, oh my god, the colors just look amazing. Gonna go in with a few of the iridescent crystals, and I'm going to place those around the cuticle areas on the jelly nails. These iridescent crystals are available on my website. I will leave the links down below. So after curing in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, I let the nails cool down a bit, and then I'm applying some cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. Just a very, very beautiful bright nail design. I love how the jelly nails turned out. I love how the marble turned out. Like, everything is just so beautiful about this set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you in my next one.